Delhiites woke up to a rainy Monday after a similar Sunday with strong winds. Daily commuters had to face traffic snarls. Waterlogging in several places also disturbed regular traffic. The Met Department says the sudden change in weather has been caused by western disturbances moving across the Afghanistan-Pakistan region, bringing rain and snow in the sub-Himalayan regions.
अरेबियन सी बे ऑफ बंगाल से भी हवा आ रहा है. वो सी एरिया से हवा आने की वजह से नमी लेकर आ रहा है. मतलब ईस्टर्ली सदर्ली वेव, ईस्टर्ली सदर्ली मॉइस्चर विंड, जो सिस्टम करंट दो सिस्टम मैंने बोला दोनों के साथ इंटरैक्ट किया है. ये इंटरैक्शन होने की वजह से ये आपको पिछले 1-2-3 दिन से बारिश हो रही है.
Cold conditions also prevailed in most parts of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, with heavy snowfall in several areas. In parts of Haryana and Punjab, light to moderate rainfall accompanied by high-velocity winds brought down temperatures. In Uttar Pradesh, unseasonal rain disrupted normalcy. While the upper reaches of Jammu and Kashmir and state capital Srinagar received snowfall, the plains were lashed by intermittent rains, with Kazigund in South Kashmir receiving 14.4 millimeters of rainfall. The Jammu-Srinagar highway has been shut down due to heavy snowfall and landslides. An avalanche was also reported in the Bandipora district, which damaged 15 homes and shops but caused no casualties. Board and university exams scheduled for Monday and Tuesday have been put off. Maximum temperature in northern India continues to hover around 20 degrees. Weather officials, however, predict more snowfall in the hilly areas and gradual increase in the temperature during the week.
ये करंट सिस्टम मूव होने के बाद दूसरा सिस्टम 5 नाइट से एक दूसरा सिस्टम आ रहा है. उसके वजह से हिल रीजन में आपको आने वाले एक हफ्ते तक रेनफॉल स्नोफॉल होता रहेगा, लेकिन जितने आज हुआ जो रिपोर्ट हुआ उतना नहीं होगा, कम होगा.
Rains have come as a bane for farmers. Sudden change in temperature has caused heavy damage to crops, particularly in parts of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Crops like wheat, mustard and others sown during the season are expected to witness heavy damage. Dipanshu Goyal's report, DD News.